Plants are a higher vibration than humans. They share their vibration with their acoustic signals. They are always present. They share their light in our presence, and in doing so, raise our vibrational level. We can gain clarity of mind and have a very calm state. The green color of plants also opens our heart chakras and helps us to heal in that way. They are everyday healers. Thanks for listening. Be sure to like, subscribe, and ring the bell for future episodes.